Hi there. President William Samoei Ruto is a no-joke, no-nonsense president. We have all seen what is done today. He has fired the first lot of high-level officials in the country because of that KEMSA related scandal when it comes to malaria in the country. Guys, we have seen President Ruto has sent home very high-ranking government officials. Of course, at the top of the list is one of the PS from the Ministry of Health, Dr. Josephine Muru, who actually the president has terminated their employment. And also beyond that, we've also seen drastic changes at KEMSA, whereby the president has sent home the entire board and the CEO has been suspended. Guys, is this the start of major war against corruption in the country? Do you think the president is going to continue cracking the whip? Share that in the comment section down below. Share your thoughts. Do you think President William Ruto is going to continue cracking the whip? I think it's high time. Those people within the country who are corrupt need to take their duties seriously. They need to serve Kenyans out there because their stealing of public resources is actually hurting the country a great deal. You are all much welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifunam. And by the way, if you are new, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Down there is a button called subscribe. Click on it, subscribe, and also after you subscribe, like this video. Having said that, for us to understand and appreciate why stealing from the public resources is very bad, let's look at the flow of money. Guys, if public resources out there are stolen, it is you and me who are gonna end up paying heavily. At the moment, we're talking about the country already servicing crazy debts. Just imagine, what if this pressure is continuously added and added? It's gonna mean that you and me are gonna continue exerting ourselves out there. The government is gonna really continue getting lots of money from us so that we are able to meet our obligations as a country. It is a very simple flow. There is public resources out there earmarked for a given activity. Someone steals them. We are not able to do those activities out there. And in case it is even loans out there which you've borrowed, it means these have to be repaid. Also, if it's essential services out there, these services have to be undertaken. Where does the money come from? It is your money and also my money. That's why we've seen the government out here increasing taxes so as to be able to cover the deficits out there. And that's why if a public official out there is stealing public resources, they need to have their employment terminated immediately and actually face the law. If there's any resources that are stolen out there, they need to return these resources because, guys, this is hurting us as a country. Do you think the president has started cracking the war on corruption in the country? Do you think he's going to go after other high-ranked officials out there who are stealing from public funds? Share that down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing down there. Cheers, guys, and I look forward to share with you other videos next time.